So for the Win viewers, we're going to go in a different direction here. No? We're going to run in a different direction because we're going to talk about the upcoming Safeguard Active Cebu Marathon happening on Sunday, January 12. Now to help us talk about running and joining a marathon, we have very special guests here. We have Beeps de los Santos, we have Sir Totoy Santos, we have Miss Cha Morados, and of course the famous Coach Rio, who needs no introduction whatsoever.
Visual lang, okay.
My fitness and my hairstyle idol. Si Coach Rio. Okay. So syempre nakarinig ng mga viewers natin, marathon, okay, run. Marami siguro sila, they have friends who run, maybe they have relatives who run, maybe they see pictures online running events, and maybe they're curious, okay? Why running? And all of you, you had very interesting ways of starting your running passion, no? Maybe let's start with you, Cha. How did you get started with running?
Ako, when I turned 30.
When you turned 30?
When I turned 30, I said I'd start living an active life. So
Why?
Before
Because
that talaga, wala.
Before that, wala. None.
Before that,
Eat,
wala.
sleep, work.
Eat, sleep,
Pataba.
work. Ayoko ng anything basta sporty. Hindi ako yan. Pero kasi, di ba, for women, when you turn 30, there's a stigma na magiging losyang ka na, tapos tataba ka na. Hindi mo na, maraming women nagko-complain about what happens to their body. So, I wanted to take control of my health and of my body. So, I started running.
Wow. And then your first was it a 5K? Fun run lang ba yan? Or?
My first was actually, I signed up for a 10K. But then, when I reached 10K and I felt good pa, I started running the whole 21K route. So, natapos ko siya in 21K. That was my first ever run in Singapore, the Standard Chartered Run.
So, ang first mo was supposed to be 10, nagawa mo 21.
Yes, despite yung mga ushers, sinastop na nila ako kasi parang I just signed up for a 10. Pero biglang nakikita nila ako sa 21K route. So, hindi ko sila pinapansin, ako lang, takbo lang ako.
Natural athlete ka pala, hindi mo alam.
Baka gifted pala ako.
Gifted ka pala. Born runner. Ikaw, Beeps, how did you get started? Ikaw ba, dati pa, bata ka pa, nasa fitness ka na? Mahilig ka na sa fitness?
Yeah, actually, I was an active kid.
Okay.
I was a varsity player of badminton since I was elementary to high school.
Mm-hmm.
Then when I went to college, medyo nagbago eh. Music, gimmick, tambay, lakwatsa, until hanggang nag-work ako, nadala ko na to, I smoke, I drink a lot, and to the point na I gained like 245 pounds.
245 pounds?
Yes.
Umabot ka ng 245?
Yeah.
Wow.
Then,
Wow.
madami nagre-reklamo sa akin eh. Because I snore a lot. And wala nang magkasyang damit sa akin. So, I really need to change the lifestyle. So extreme ako, no? Extreme na alcoholic, smoker, and everything. Then, extreme din ako nag-change. Cold turkey talaga, totally. I stopped smoking. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I bought like 3 sticks today. This is the last 3 sticks of my life. Then that's it.
Wow.
From then on, I don't smoke. I was smoke-free. Same with beer. I never drink beer anymore.
Even after
Yeah.
mga runs?
Masarap
That
ang
was like
beer after
2008.
Oh!
2008.
Teka, bakit tayo BA? Wala nga siya eh. Okay yan.
Sorry since 2008, I was like beerless.
Wow.
Kasama pa naman sa recovery. Recovery.
Sayang nga
mode
yung
yan.
mga freebie eh.
Oo, diba? Ikaw, Sir Totoy, ano naman ang pagsimula mo sa running?
Well, ako, nagsimula naman ako sa running. Before, the same as Beeps. Taba rin ako.
Ha?
Oh, at the age of
Paano nangyari yun?
185. Oh.
Okay.
Kasi napasarap yung kain eh. Simula nung kinasal ako nung 1983. Wala nang ginawa kundi.
Kasalanan ng kasal yan.
Masarap ang luto ang misis ko. So, kaya lang nakaramdam na ako ng nag-snore na ako.
Okay.
Tapos aakyat lang ako ng second floor eh, nihingal na ako eh. Sabi ko, baka hindi na tumagal ang buhay ko eh. Bigla ako mawala sa mundo. Mabura ako. Kaya nag-start ako na mga fun run. 5K, 10K. Then yung nag-start ako nung full marathon nung Fall International Marathon. 1997 yun.
Wow.
So from there until now, marami na ako nagawa, mga 45 full marathon eh.
Wow.
Wow, konti lang naman ng
Konti
lamang
lang
niya sa akin eh.
Konti lang,
Ako
konti.
dalawa.
Pero that doesn't include the ultramarathons that you run.
The
So, you
ultramarathon.
run 200
Ultra?
kilometers.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This coming, right? 250?
Yeah.
This coming February.
February.
Wow. So,
Galit ka ba sa buhay, Sir Totoy? Meron ka ba matinatakbuhan na problema? O...
Wala naman, kaya lang nakahiligan lang talaga.
It makes you happy.
Yes.
Coach Rio, you are of course synonymous with running. Bakit sa palagay mo people get into running and then when they get into it, 90% of the time they fall in love with running? Why is that?
One, kasi nakaka-addict siya. Yung first na susubukan mo kasi siya, especially if hindi ka runner, talagang hindi mo siya magugustuhan. Kasi nakakahingal, masakit sa katawan pagkatapos. But pag naumpisahan mo siya, hahanap-hanapin mo siya. And yung effect niya sa'yo, sa fitness, and at the same time, sa health, hindi mo siya makakompare sa ibang ginagawa mo. And second, yung running kasi ito yung pinaka-basic na sports na hindi mo kailangan ng skills. Unlike basketball, kailangan mo mag-dribble, mag-shoot ng bola.
Ay, marami nag-basketball,
Diba?
wala skill. Wala skill.
Ayun.
Oo.
Or football, di ba? Kailangan marunong kang mag-dribble.
Tama. Ito kasi, bata ka pa lang, alam mo nang tumakbo eh,
I
right?
think parang second or third na skill siya na natutunan natin. Diba?
Right,
Crawling.
right. Yes,
diba?
yes.
So, dun pa lang, advantage na. And at the same time, lahat ng sports, ito yung parang pinaka-foundation. So, hindi mahirap gawin. And hindi mo kailangan ng kalaro. So, kapag naiinip ka or
Hindi ka tumakbo isa.
minsan nga, yung iba, kahit walang sapatos, tumatakbo eh. Road lang yung kailangan.
Ay, marami yung kasabay na game, barefoot
Barefoot
runners.
Diba?
Wow.
So, yun yung nauuso
Oy,
ngayon.
naaya nila mag-barefoot ka. Yoko nga. Yoko.
So
Mabato.
Nakaka-addict talaga siya kasi ako meron time na tumatakbo ako before na parang nananaginip ako. Parang minsan napapataas yung kamay ko. Wow, nasa Olympics ako. Feeling ko nag-champion ako.
Uy, yan yung alam mo yan. Yan yung tinatawag na runner's high.
Yun.
Yeah.
Parang
Nice.
meron ka lang goal na ito lang yung distance pero lumampas ka na. Minsan medyo nahiya ka kasi may mga tao
Pag
na.
yung narinig mo na yung kanta dun sa yung last 500 meters, it's the best feeling in the world.
Yeah.
Yung akala mo kasi, even if it's a 5K, 10K, 21, 42, naturally there's a fear, diba? Na parang, hindi ko matatapos to. No way, pagod na ako, hingal na ako. But then you see 500 meters, you see the finish. Pag natapos mo,
Yung
diba?
fulfillment.
Yes,
ibang klase
absolutely.
yung pakiramdam.
Okay, so now na-excite na ngayon yung mga tao. Gusto na ngayon magtakbuhan. O, tara, hanap tayo 21. Huwag mo na, sandali, wag, relax. Kalma lang, okay. I know there are so many things that you need to consider if you want to seriously get into running. But maybe, bigyan kayo ng isang basic tip for those, maybe a training tip para dun sa, let's say, they want to sign up for a 10 or a 21, maybe weekend, paikot-ikot, but they want to take it seriously. Beeps, one tip for those who really want to take up running seriously.
Yeah, one thing about running, you need to study your nutrition. Okay, that's very important sa running, no. You don't just run. You need to study on how you nutrient yourself.
Parang eating right.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi pwedeng takbo ka to, tapos kain ka rin.
Meron nga nag-tip, may nag-tip na, nagtatanong ng tip, no, sa running. Paano mo matutong tumakbo na mabilis?
Oo.
Huwag uminom ng tubig.
Ayun!
para takbo lang ng takbo kasi 'di ba may stopover sa mga hydration eh. So titigil ka. Para bumilis ka daw, takbo lang to hydrate.
Ganda yun!
That's wrong, of course.
Siya
diba?
matatapos na.
Wala, baka mahimatay na yun
Yeah.
before the race.
Sir
After the
Totoy,
race.
one tip para sa mga aspiring runners.
Well, isa sa mga tip, no, bukod doon sa nutrition, yung lifestyle.
Ano yun? Sige, ano dapat ang lifestyle ng isang totoong runner? Yan.
Sa akin, no, para sa akin. Kasi yung lifestyle ko I don't drink alcohol.
Patay ka dyan.
Sige, -1 na. Okay.
No smoking.
Ayan, okay, hindi ako nag-smoke. Okay.
Then matulog na maaga.
Tatay.
Wala
Sarap
na.
mag-Facebook sa gabi.
Tulog ka na.
Hindi, kasi kailangan nyo, nagigising ka maaga. If you're going to do your long runs in the morning, you have to wake up early para hindi mainit, di ba? Yung mga
Kailangan
ganyan.
ng training. Gumising na maaga, di ba?
Okay, so proper nutrition and then proper lifestyle. Cha, one tip for the aspiring runners.
Sige, on top of what we've said, I would say hygiene. Proper hygiene.
Okay, expound.
Every day.
What is proper hygiene for runners?
Kasi anyone who wants to live an active lifestyle, the moment you start running, you actually expose yourself to a lot of germs. So in fact, it's even more important for you to have the proper hygiene na before working out, before training, you actually need to protect yourself with the right skin germ protection. So with the right soap. So maraming tao yung, maliligo ako after na lang, after I run. But in fact, it's more important to do it before you start going out there and training. Kasi kung hindi, kung the moment you're exposed to all the elements, the dirt, the pollution and all that, magkakasakit ka eh. And then the moment you get sick, wala na yung, nabibreakdown yung body mo, so hindi ka rin makakatakbo.
Alam mo, importante yan, Cha. Kasi, siyempre, yung sa running yan, pag pumunta ka ng run, lalo na yung mga fun run, maraming cute dyan, di ba? Gumising ka lang, sinod mo na agad yung singlet mo.
Exactly.
Tumakbo ka.
Marami kang meet habang nag-run. So, kung mabango ka pa kahit wala kang BO, mga ganyan.
500 meters pa na, baka hindi ka na kinakausap ng katawan mo.
At saka, di ba, pag-cross mo ng finish line, pag ganun mo,
yun.
importante yan na mabango ka.
Sasabita ka ni Coach Ray, oy. Ganyan. So, you're correct. Actually, di ko alam yun, ha. Na dapat before
Proper
and after.
hygiene.
Oo nga, no? Ngayon ko lang naisip yun. Totoo yan, ha? Oo nga naman, no? Tama, correct. Okay, so the big event that's happening on Sunday, January 12, is the Safeguard Active Cebu Marathon. Your race day tips for those watching na who are actually participating in the 21K and the full Marathon 42.
So, very important dito yung ginagawa nila during training. Yun din yung gagawin nila before and during the race itself. Kasi pag nag-experiment ka na kunwari,
Ay, wag.
bagong
Yan.
pagkain, di ba?
Bagong gel, yan.
Bagong gel,
Oo,
hindi
yan.
ka naman pala sanay.
Bagong shoes, yan. Bawal
So,
yan.
nagkakaroon
Oo.
ng mga injuries eh. So, yung ginagawa to during your preparation, training, so paggising mo ng maaga, pinapractice din yon kasi yung mga ibang excited first-timer, normally hindi nakakatulog. Kasi excited tumakbo eh. Baka late magising, hindi makapunta. So, pinapractice din yung mga yon. So, yung pinaka-best is kung anong ginagawa mo sa training, yun din yung gagawin mo sa race itself.
That's an excellent tip. Kahit yung kunin yung pre-race snack,
Yeah.
wag niyong babaguhin yan. Ultimo, tubig, kung ano man yung tubig inom, don't change anything kasi kayo rin magsisisi pag binago niya. And then, nasa race na, wala ka nang magagawa. Okay, Coach Rio, why don't you invite everyone to, if they're not running, to support the Safeguard Active Cebu Marathon on Sunday?
Yeah, kasi sold out na kami this Sunday.
Oh,
so,
syempre,
we're very happy, no?
Oh,
So,
nice.
we are very happy because of the support, of course, of Safeguard
Right,
Active.
right.
This is our first year to handle the Cebu Marathon, yung total event talaga. But we helped them 3 or 4 years ago. So, exciting tong event na to kasi part siya ng Sinulog Marathon, ng Sinulog Festival. So, 1 week before. So, yung route na dadaanan nila, festive na siya kasi preparation nga sa Sinulog. And at the same time, yung mga landmark natin na oldest street in Cebu or in the Philippines, dadaanan nila yon. And then SRP and then tunnel. So, mag-finish sila sa IT Park. So, very, very exciting. And we only have 2 categories which is 21K and 42K.
So walang hindi pwede mang walkathon dito Medyo pang serious to,
Isa pang surprise namin, meron kaming nilagay sa lahat ng water station. So meron, syempre sikat ang Lechon Cebu sa
Bakit may lechon dyan sa water station?
Kasi di ba nagugutom ka na eh.
Oh.
Wala mo ng gel.
Lechon na lang.
You burn fat naman when you run eh. So eat na what
Sa
you're gonna
42
burn.
lang dapat. Baka kulang yung 21.
So dahil nga dadaan sila doon sa malapit sa dagat, so
Oh.
meron din kaming provide ng sponge, of
Ay, the
course,
best
care of
yan,
ng
sponge dito.
Yeah.
care of ng Safeguard
Oo.
Active. And then pag cross nila ng finish line, pwede silang mag-shower with
May-
of course Safeguard Active.
May showers yan,
Yes,
meron
meron.
Oo, kasi importante yung before and
After.
Okay. We'd like to thank our friends from the Safeguard Active Cebu Marathon, Mr. Beeps de los Santos, Sir Totoy Santos, Miss Cha Morados, and of course, Coach Rio. So guys, check it out. Safeguard Active Cebu Marathon, January 12 on Sunday.